So to fit the Juliana Qube window together, you will need the bolt that has that little greenhouse on it. And this is part 71. And I'm going to show you with part 72, which is the side of the window. So 72 has the hole in it. You're going to put the bolt through. There will be a nut on the top of that bolt. Notice the head of the bolt goes facing down. So even though it's a pretty bolt, you won't see that greenhouse. Now it needs to slide into this slot, and as you've probably realized, so it needs to be 71, then the 72, then the bolt head, and then that flange in the middle. If you can see that. Now that flange, that slot is often too tight for that all to fit, but the bolt head needs to fit right above that slot, because this bottom slot, the bigger slot, is going to be for the glass. So what you're going to need to do is take a needle nose pliers and gently bend that area around that slot just up just a tiny bit, so that you can still fit that bolt head in snugly, so that you will want this to slide all the way over. So I don't have this bent up enough because I'm stuck. The bolt head is hitting that middle flange, so I'm going to need to do just a little bit more. And be careful, you may want to cover the profile so you don't, or the head of the needle nose pliers, so you don't get any marks on the outside, although it will be up high. So just, again, build that up just enough so that that bolt head can slide underneath that flange. So now I've got it where the, let's see, 72 fits under 71. And if I flip this over, hopefully you can see that head is wedged under the flange there. So once you have that, you will tighten this bolt. Or this nut, I'm sorry, tighten the nut. And then it will stay together. And then you should tighten it with a pliers. I just don't have one here. And then you will do the same thing with the other side, bending up the flanges around the ends around the slot, so that you can fit that bolt head in. You're going to have to do the same at the top of the window when you attach this, the top piece of the window that creates the hinge, and you will have to bend those up so you can slide that bolt head in there. So once you do that, as long as you have your glass in this formation with the 599 at the top, the shorter side at the top, it's very, very negligible, but it will make a difference, and the 610 on the side, then your window should go together. If you have questions, please give us a call at Mexico. Thank you.